Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and set up two-factor authentication on your Shopify account. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now you could go ahead and do this method while using your phones, or to make it easier, you could just go ahead and use your computer. Now first things first, you want to go ahead and open up the official website of Shopify, and you have to make sure that you are using or you are logged into the right account. Now once inside your Shopify account right here, you want to go ahead and proceed by clicking on your account logo. You will go ahead and see that at the upper right corner of your screen. So just go ahead and click on it. It's basically my store. And once inside, just go ahead and click on your manage account. Inside, you are going to see the general settings. You want to go ahead and proceed by clicking on security. And inside security, there are a lot of options right here for your own account security. And you want to go ahead and scroll down until you find the two-step authentication. As you could go ahead and see, on my account, the authentication methods is turned off. Now to go ahead and turn this on, just go ahead and click on the turn on two-step and they will take you to this pop-up menu. So you have to verify that it's you, so you have to go ahead and click on re-authenticate. Now after typing in your password for your account, you will now be able to enable the app authentication. As you could go ahead and see, you will only need to scan this QR code right here. Now, you need to go ahead and use the supported authenticator app such as Google Authenticator or Duo. If you do not have two of these apps right here, you could just go ahead and click on this website in order to see more supported authenticator app. And in that way, you will be able to set up two-factor authentication on your Shopify account. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.